Hello, this is our midterm presentation for the Java technology, and our group has two members, me, Nyathima, with student ID 522K0043, and my friend, Pham Thuc Lane, with the student ID of 522K0002. And for this project, we developed with two types of string for the UI. The first one is that we developed like this kind of form with we develop this kind of string form with the string UI. In this we can see like this the UI environment, and another one is like this kind of form. We use the full code to develop the UI, and I will run our project as a demo for you. To run the project, to be able to run the project in your local computer, local laptop, you should add the .jar file for the MySQL connection, and then you should go to login form, this login form class, and click the run button. First, import up the login form. The login form is like it asks the user. If I type like net and password 123 login, it will show the invalid username or password since the user does not exist in the table. For the database, we use the student management database. We will provide the SQL form for you to be able to run in your local computer. In this, we have currently 4 users, admin as the admin role, and then John as a manager, and Jane as manager, and then Ned as employee. So if we want to text the admin role, we can use username as admin and password as 123, and click login. This window appeared. In this, we can see the picture of the user, and then username with ID, username, password, age, phone number, status, and account type. Since the account type is admin, it can do all the user management, student management, and change the profile picture. And for changing the profile picture, we click the change profile picture, and we can select the picture we provided. And if select this and apply image, profile image updated successfully will pop up, and then back the profile change. And for the account management, it will first pop up the list of the user in the database, and for creating a user, there will be the create new user button, and if I click like this, it will pop up this form. And for this, I will create a new user with the name and password 123 and age 20, and status is locked. So I want to make the testing with the locked status of the employee type, EMPLOYEE, employee account type, and the phone number 0987654321, and create account created successfully. And if we back to the list, the link user pop up, and then to edit, we select the user in the table and click the edit, and like in this, we can change to 0000, something like this, and then click OK. User edited successfully, and this phone number change. And to see the details, we can click the user and see the detail, and like the login user's profile, and its information will pop up. And this is the login and logout history for the user. Since the user hasn't logged in yet, the list is currently empty. I will come back after I make a few login and logout process for this user. And then for deleting the user, we can just click user and delete to make sure you want to delete the user. If we click no, it didn't delete. And let's create another user, David 12320 normal, admin, and phone number with this, and create the account created successfully. And if we come back, David is here. To delete the account, we need to select the user we want to delete, and delete, and yes, deleted successfully. So that's all for the user management. And to make it easy, I will make the login with this user a few times. When we log in, the login time is currently noted, and create a new login history, and log out. So we can view in the admin user login, and then account management, and select this user and see the details, we can see the login and logout with the current time, and the login ID, logout ID. So back. For the admin role, the student management is also required. Only click the student management, the student list will pop up, and then we can add student, like name, Lin 20, software engineering, and university, and OK. And student added successfully. We can see the new student added, and then we can sort the student too. With name, we sort, it will sort according to the name, and if we sort with this is the new student added. If we sort with age, sort, and if we'll sort with the age and major too, we can sort. And to delete the student, let's go to the newly created student here and delete the student, and student deleted successfully. The student disappeared. And to view the details, we have to select the student and view details, and the student details pop up. And for this, we can add the certificate. We can see the certificate list. There's no certificate at the time, so we can add certificate name, fast runner app, Technoland, and organization will say Ondo 10 and OK. The new certificate is added, and we can update the certificate. UNMB, SIGY University, and the certificate is pop up. We can also delete the certificate for this. So we can search a student by the name too. So this is all for the student management system, and I've shown the changing profile picture process. So this is for the admin role, and for the manager role, I will type the manager account. In this, the manager can access to the user management. The manager can only access to the student management and change profile picture. So in this, the manager can change the profile picture. Here, apply image successfully, and back the image change. And then, since the status is normal, student management can also access as the last one, and change profile picture can access as the last one too. But let's try with another user. With Jane, the role is also the manager. But since the status is locked, the user cannot access to the functions. It can only view the user like its own information. And as I tested before, for the employee, like we can only see the student list, view student list, or we cannot edit, we cannot do anything. And then we can also change the profile picture, like change, okay, and back, now change. So log out. And this is for our midterm project. Thank you, sir.